Namaskar, dear brothers and sisters. Helping kids with HIV is a deed that we at the Abaji Foundation have immense respect and love for. Shri Anshuman Sarkar ji, manager of Sarkar Timber Works in Kolkata, has done just that on his birthday this year. Thank you, Anshuman ji. Your help means a lot to these children. Earlier, I had given an example of a politician's charity in one of my speeches. Watch this.
It's a politician. He called me home for lunch. I went to his house. Everything was beautiful. He was dressed in something like a kurta pajama / shalwar kameez. I saw a little boy, maybe 6 years old. He was picking up bricks and passing it to his father, uncle, or some relative. I think they were building a wall. I don't remember, but he was passing bricks. For him, picking up bricks was like picking up the Kailash Parvat. He was a tiny fellow carrying huge bricks. It was hectic for him. So he came inside and he said, Sahib, give me some water. Just before that, 2 minutes ago, that politician had been bragging to me about how he's done the most amount of work in his area and how he's helped the poor, helped the helpless, and he thought he'll do a grand show of charity in front of me. So it was few years ago. There was a 1,000 rupees note at that time. He took out $1,000 and gave it to his servant. He told him, yes, Pepsi bartao tavamba. Pepsi or thumbs up something, one of those aerated soft drinks that you have nowadays. That are not good for health, by the way. And he sent that servant, and as that little boy heard him, he cocked his eyebrows like that. And then I observed the boy, and I thought that's not what he needed, probably. So I called the boy. There was a jug, a silver jug full of water in front of me. Real silver, that's what he told me, but I don't know how far it's true. But I gave him the jug, and can you guess what the boy did after that? What did the boy do? He took the jug of water, he went into the corner in the quadrangle, the little grass there, little mud. He splashed some on his face, washed his hands, and then paid his respect by folding his hands to the water, respect to the water, and then drank it. That's what he wanted to do. So, could he have done that with Pepsi or Sprite? Could he have washed his hands? Could he have washed his face? No. So that's not real charity. अरे उसको 10 करोड़ दे दिए, अब मैं बहुत महान हूँ. That's wrong. That's ostentatious display of wealth and vanity, which is very wrong these days. That happens these days. It's quite common.
Shri Anshuman ji is the exact opposite of the politician that I had referred to in that speech. Anshuman ji has looked into every need of these kids personally, and he observed that they were not wearing shoes and wanted them to have shoes immediately. This observation of his has earned him immense respect from us and all our volunteers of the Abaji Foundation. The very fact that he noticed the kids were uncomfortable without shoes shows us how much he cares for them. We love him for that, and we will make his every contribution reach the right hands to make a long-lasting and positive change in the lives of these children who have been tested positive for HIV. Thank you so much, Anshuman Sarkar ji. We wish you a very happy birthday and pray that your business grows from strength to strength. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, and Namaskar.